Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with items that I purchased from Miss Cat's Crafting. And what I like about it is she waits until you fill up a box because she has sales in between. And so sometimes you forget what you got. And guess what? I don't remember what I got. So it's going to be fun. So we got some coins, wax seals. I should use my wax seals more. So we got a heart. I think she gave me these. I don't remember purchasing these, but I might have. Who knows? And a moon, and that one, and a leaf, and some sort of flower. Some are cool. I'm gonna set them right there. I have a plan for them right away. I'm gonna use them. And I bought this sack. I have an idea for it. I love this. Oh, look. Plus, now I know I bought small ones. I got these burlap type ones. For Scott and I to put things in. We still kind of do our living history, and these little bags are awesome to use for that. I also grabbed that for that too, because when you set up camp, anything modern, say like this glue stick I have at camp, I have to hide it. You can't leave it look like this out. So that's where these things come in. So you just cover with a little baggie, tie it up, and you just set it on your shelf. It's covered. So these little bags work awesome for things like that, like this. Because when I do my encampments, I do a lot of cooking. I always have flour with me, so I can put my bag of flour inside this and just close it, and you won't see the modern flour. You'll think it's just this or the coffee. You know, it's kind of cool. So that's number 4. I know I won some stencils, and I think I bought a few stencils. So we have this one, the swirlies. I think this was a prize. I won a few for that day. Be mine. Let's see. Go ahead. So we got some swirls. This is Be Mine, You Dream. It turns all sorts of different sayings. Let's see. You and Me. Sweet something. Can't read it. And then Be bold, be brave, be you. Oh, maybe if I turn it like that. Be Mine is cute. Cute. And then we have this one. This is cool. It's got hearts and different things inside the hearts. I thought that was cute. It's a gnome, sweet home. I love gnomes. And in these, I got Diamond's house basement, I should say, flooded earlier this year, and Coda's room's downstairs, and she had all the homemade stuff I made for Coda sitting in a box because she was waiting for stuff to come in to put it on his walls, and it flooded, and all the canvases I painted for him got ruined. So he asked me to remake them, and I call him Coda Bear, and Kathie had these stencils with the bears. I love this. It's the bear, and it's got trees. So I'm going to put that on a canvas and put his name, Coda Bear. And then she had this one with a bear. Adventure Time. And I'm not going to so much use the camping. It says camping. But just this. In the bear. Adventure Time. And this was another awesome one. Oops. I got to do it right. The bear. Like that. I'm going to work on these this winter. And then this one is another one with the bear and the scenery. And then there's this one with like leaves and a bird. I thought it was cool. Like that. And we have another one. This has like words and symbols, dollar signs, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's numbers 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. Alrighty. There's this one. I thought these were so cool. I love that you got the little shapes inside and you have the bigger shape. Here's the star one. And then the triangle or diamond shaped one. This is a cow. Look at that cow. I love cows. Farm life. Cows are my gig. And then there's this one with the little skull. And then a heart. And flames. And a heart. Oh, cool. Look at how they did them. Okay, I think that's all this damn fish. Yep. Then she had this ribbon. Oh, my fingers. And they're gorgeous. She has it already like tied off like this. So what I'm going to do, because I think it's just gorgeous the way it is I got an idea how I'm going to use this, and I will share it. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's got that in there. And I'll even it out on both sides. But that's for a project I'm going to share. I just got to get the rest of the stuff out so you can see it. I love it. So, and then I also got a green one. Okay, gorgeous. She did a color combo. Just awesome. How she's got this all together and looks so good together. And that's going to be another one that I'm going to use. And you'll see how that's going to come. Yeah. And then the last item is this. So it's a barn. You got different layers. And what I'm thinking, and I'm going to ask Kathie, I mean, it kind of looks like you could like do holes and be able to open it. You know what I mean? And then you would kind of like do this cover. Like add that to this. and then add all the little pieces. I think I would find a cow instead for farmhouse home. So I think you can make a journal with this. So I think it'd be so cute. Make a farm journal. See, all things here for the future. Now that it's fall and my summer chores are pretty much done, I'll be more inside. I'm outside now that I own a house and I have a yard. I'm always doing something outside. I mean, plus we're doing maintenance of stuff that has been put off because my father-in-law chose not to do it. So we did a lot of stuff that needed to be done outside this year, and we're still not finished. And inside the house, I started washing the walls going up my steps upstairs. I have to wash them at least 1 or 2 more times, and then I'm going to start painting that. I have that painted. That was a goal that I wanted to get done. I set myself a goal, what it needs to be done, and I tried to meet that goal. I'm a little late with painting inside the house, but like I said, I started washing the walls last week one day, and then I'll probably work on it again tomorrow, and maybe next week I'll have it painted. So, and then me and Scott have the bathroom floor to finish. Our foster son Tim said he'd come over and do it for us. We just have to buy the material, and that'll save Scott some time. So, things are coming along slowly, but they're coming along, and that's what matters. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to anybody in Florida or all these people that this hurricane hit, please think of them. Think of Kathie and Brenda, all the people down in Florida right now that are going to get hit, and Kathie's one of them. So please keep them in your thoughts, and if you can give to help the people down there, please do so. At our store they had bags of food, like in a couple meals in a paper bag you could purchase, and they had men's necessities, women's necessities, child's necessities, baby's necessity. And you could purchase, and they would put it in the back of a semi-trailer. So Scott and I bought 2 bags of the groceries. We bought a bag each for the men, the woman, the baby, and the child, and teenager. It was weird because they had the necessities, toothbrushes, shampoo, conditioner. This grocery store had it set up. They had it, it was so good how they had on the side of the bags men, women, child, baby, teenager. Forgot about the teenager one. Because Scott and I purchased everyone 2 groceries and then 1 of each of the other ones when we were grocery shopping the other day. And so I thought it was neat that, and the thing is I was the bags for the men and women, teenager, and all that were only $10, and it had toothpaste in it, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant. Women's had maxi pads. The child one had like toothbrushes, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, the things they needed. Teenagers was the same way. The baby one had diapers, baby wipes, and some a can of formula. And the diapers, they said arranged. Because the bag was, they had an example on the one bag was like the number for the diapers, so it wasn't just like infant or just baby or went to toddler, the different stages. That was a good idea. But I said to Scott, for what we paid for the one bag for the baby, I said it didn't add up in my head. Not that I was keeping track, but they were only charging $10 for all these bags, except for the grocery bags were $20. And I said that to Scott while we were standing there. The store that we shop at wasn't profiting from selling these bags. So they were selling them for wholesale of what they would pay for the items. And the reason they did that is to hope that people would buy more, realizing that, bag of diapers and they were Pampers. I know weren't no $10, because I know diapers are expensive. Because that bag for the baby was only $10, and it had formula in there, and it had diapers, and it had baby wipes. So, and they were just selling it really reasonable. So I thought that was awesome. And that truck was loading up. People walking in and walking out were buying bags. So I don't know exactly if it's going down to South Carolina or North Carolina, Florida. I don't know. I just know it's going in that direction. So let's keep everybody in our thoughts and prayers down there. There's a lot of damage and all over. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.